Okay, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have another awesome video in the pipeline. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing a sort of like ramble, but also like tutorial at the same time of basically explaining why or how I was able to make 24K in a single year while being a full-time student in college. So without further ado, let's hop into it. If you guys get any value from this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below your thoughts. And if you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer those in the comment section down below. Using a new microphone in this video, so you can probably tell the audio quality is much improved than what it used to be with my shotgun microphone. Now I'm using wireless audio. Go check out the video linked on my channel on the Synco G1A1 if you're looking to pick up a great wireless mic on a budget. Let's hop into the tutorial slash story of how I was able to do this. So the first thing I just want to mention, and you'll hear this all the time for YouTube, is, and that's the main gist of this video, is YouTube allowed me to do this. Consistency is key, and also setting goals is massively key for this. That means not giving up and also uploading pretty regularly. I'd say once a week definitely was too long for me back then. Now I do once a week just because I don't have as much free time, but I was uploading every other day because I wanted to pump out as many videos as possible on my previous channel, Life Made Easy. And then what I would do is set goals for myself for certain, like hitting a certain number of views, and also hitting a certain number of subscribers, and also hitting a certain like revenue amount per year, or usually it'd be per month. So that's just some background info that I want you guys to understand. I know it's cliche, but it's also like actually true. And also, if you upload like too little, then YouTube's not going to promote your stuff anymore. And the way I like to think about it is like every video you upload to YouTube is an opportunity for growth and getting a new subscriber. My thought process going into college was basically like, I want to create this channel and I want it to grow, but I don't have a lot of time to do it because I knew that going into school, my time would be limited. Like when you're in high school, you tend to have more time than a college student. So basically what I wanted to do was try to make as many videos as possible and grow as fast as possible before I actually entered college. That's what I did. I spent roughly around 6 months just pumping out content on my channel, searching keywords, finding stuff that's popular until I got to a certain point. And I think it was like sophomore year I hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel. So it took roughly like 2 years-ish, probably like a little less, to actually hit 1,000 subs. And so that's just putting into perspective like how long it can actually take to hit 1,000 subscribers and get monetized on YouTube. So my upload schedule when I was actually in college was hardly anything. What I would do is like, I'd obviously have to plan around school, so I would upload when I was on a break, and also just basically pump out as many videos and create as many videos as I can while on like summer break or also winter break. And what I'd do was I'd have enough videos in the pipeline so that I could like consistently upload even when I was actually back at school and I didn't have the opportunity to film, because just filming at school is almost literally impossible just with like having roommates and then other obligations. So my upload schedule was every other day, as I mentioned before, and sometimes it was every day if I really had the time to actually do that. And what I'd honestly just set a goal for myself of, you have to upload every other day. So I'd write that down in my to-do list. I recommend many to-do lists to my audience. There's several apps. I use Todoist right now. You can get a whiteboard like behind me to write down what you want to accomplish in a day, or you can download several other like digital planners on the internet. It's up to you guys. But yeah, that was my upload schedule. It worked pretty well, but eventually I did like kind of experience some burnout just because I fell behind on stuff. I wasn't planning videos in advance as much. I was kind of like coming up with videos on the fly and just filming them and uploading them, and I realized like my quality wasn't that good. So that's like the change I made with this channel, where I'd upload everything in advance, put more effort into everything, and my quality went up, but the quantity slightly went down because I only do once a week now. That's manageable for me, and I like that. Key for me, and this is actually how like you make money on YouTube is basically find videos that can go viral. And so what I would do was, I was in like the tutorial niche and the Xbox niche at the time. So I found and I researched like the most popular like Xbox videos out there, and it was like how to game share, how to license transfer, how to download like games faster. I realized like these are the videos people like and like listening to. Obviously, like I like them too because they're useful, right? So what I would do was I would watch other videos and I'd be like, hey, these videos are garbage and I can do better. So that's what I did. I made my videos, or the plan was to make my videos like more simplistic, less complicated, more easy to understand. And it worked for a long time, and it's still working to this day. But that was my plan and it worked. I would use specific keywords and I would make those videos go viral. I'd receive thousands of views. I'd be monetized, and since you're monetized, you get paid, you get a certain CPM, which is like cost per 1,000 views. And basically what I'd do is I'd get these viral videos, rack up a ton of views and have ads on them and basically make money from that. My main source of revenue was AdSense, which is kind of backwards from what you hear a lot on YouTube, but you can make a lot of money just with Google AdSense. I made some with like Amazon affiliate marketing and stuff like that, or maybe some brand deals. Like every once in a while I get paid, but like that was so minor compared to AdSense. So that's what I would do. I would literally just search for videos that would go viral, remake them, not like copy and paste, but like add my own spin to it. And then, yeah, upload it to my channel, make it, I knew it would go viral because I knew it's like a high searched niche, and also the competition wasn't that high for it, which is what you want to shoot for on video on YouTube. And yeah, AdSense ended up paying me big money. I had several videos get like over 1 million views, and as you know, like with a good CPM, that can lead to a lot of money. So basically what I ended up doing was making passive income over time while at school. That was basically the whole gist of this video, is like, I set myself up for success because I built this like strong foundation of videos that just kept accruing views and revenue over time. And then from there, once I have that good foundation, I can just like branch out, make different content and see if that goes viral as well. So that was my overall plan. And that's how I actually hit like 24K in a single year, which is nuts for a college student. And yeah, like, I mean, it worked out in the end, and I learned so much throughout the process that I'm like trying to redo it on this channel. Obviously, I'm not going for viral videos on this channel. I'm more going for like quality and entertaining, like productivity and tech videos on this channel. But passive income is the best type of income in my opinion, because you just make it while you sleep. You lay that good foundation at the start, and then it just goes from there, and you have to put in minimal effort. I still put in a ton of effort afterwards. Like I was still uploading like almost daily at the time, but yeah, eventually I had to cut back, and I experienced some burnout, and I was like, okay, like this is a little too much. And that's ultimately why I switched over to this channel, because it's much more low key and I put more effort into every video, and I try to like make this more like of a quality channel, if that makes sense. But that's basically it for my story, guys. That's like the simplistic high level like explanation for how I was able to do it. Obviously, if you have any questions on this, please make sure to leave it in the comments section down below. Definitely technology helped with the process, like having a good laptop at the time, having a good microphone at the time, and just upgrading your gear over time with that, using that money and not wasting it. Because like every time like I would get paid, I would just like reinvest that into my channel again. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all found this useful. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe. Shooting for 1,000 subscribers. I know we can get there on this channel, so please hit that subscribe button and share this video. Likes also help a ton on the YouTube algorithm, so please smash the like button. It takes 1 second. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys watching my content, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. From Scott Tyler. Should be another really good, awesome episode. I have a bunch of good ones in the pipeline. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.